Sit down. Chew your food up. You're supposed to be chewing. Swallow it up. You chew? You chew it up? Alright, sit there. Mommy and Daddy are gonna let you open this present early. Turn around. Alright. You get to open it up early. Are you excited?
Yeah.
What is it?
Television.
Oh, are you excited? Go sit back down. Are you excited? What do you think? Wait. Come here. What are you going to do?
Put it in the bathroom.
That's such a good idea. All right, good job. That's not what I expected.